Here's how you can make fish and chips, but with a Pakistani twist. Fish and chips is a classic British dish, and I thought, you know what, let's add a little bit of spice and see how we can upgrade this dish so it's not so bland. Let's make a pakora batter by adding gram flour, potato starch, salt, garam masala, chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste, and mix in soda water along with buttermilk. You want it to be a thick pancake-like consistency, then grab any white fish, I'm using haddock, and coat all sides. Deep fry at 350 for about 4 minutes. To make the fries, you can do it yourself. I made a video on how to make this 3-cook fry method, which came out pretty well, but it's also a bit tedious. You know what, if you don't want to go through all this process, you can easily just buy some frozen fries, because that's basically what we're making here. You just want to make sure that they're not soggy and nice and crispy, because now we're going to flavor them with a chaat masala. Let's add chili powder, dried mint, salt, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, garam masala, mango powder, and black salt. That's your chaat masala. Sprinkle this over your fries, and I found some raita in the fridge in place of tartar sauce. Squeeze some lemon juice over the fish, and that's it. Enjoy.